So a manufacturing academy is basically a 10-week program where students will learn hands-on training and get the necessary skills to obtain a entry-level position in the manufacturing field. My name is Stephen Meiser, and I am the Manufacturing Academy instructor here in Yakima, Washington. So my career began in Perry Tech, so I went through Perry Technical's machining program, got a machining degree. I then went to Genie Industries, where I worked there for roughly 4 years and made welding fixtures and CNC tooling. I then came back to Yakima, where I worked at Pexco Aerospace for roughly 17 years and ran their machine shop. We also made tool and die, did tool and die work and fixturing for fabrication. So students will become proficient in using manual mills. We start off on training them how to basically set up, maintain, service the mill, and then also sweep in the head, dial in vices, all the basics. And then we get into manufacturing actual parts on the manual mill. We'll also get into the manual lathe, where we do exactly the same thing with several lathe projects. We also get into the CNC equipment. So CNC equipment will include actual writing programs, to learning G&M code, to learning tool offsets, work offsets, tool setup, and also part setup. So the benefit to hiring one of our students is they can hit the shop floor running. We take all the beginning training away from the burden of the employer having to do that. So we take care of that. They also have a lot of their certificates. We get into OSHA training. They have their OSHA 10 certification, their forklift certification, and also CPR trained.